We're about to start the blockchain demos. All right, hold up, check this. All right, enjoy the show and note down your favorite projects so you can vote for them.
How bad your internet sucks when you're on a train? Well, you can actually predict it. Uh, this idea just came out of necessity more than just the sake of it, because everyone on the blockchain did think of it at least once throughout the entire journey. So let's just say my internet sucks at about 6 Mbps, and I want to put some money on my mouth. So what I'll do is I'll just bet some amount of money on what my internet speed is. I'll place a bet, and it's really addictive. I have tried it with about 300 users as of now, and it has kind of been a hit. Yep. So let's just say we want to enter this amount of ETH, and we want to confirm our prediction. I'll just go ahead and do it. Oops, my internet speed was better than I thought. It was actually 15 Mbps, and hence I have lost my money. This also goes along with the prediction market challenge that we were given to complete on speedrun Ethereum. Yep, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys want to try it. See you.
I'm gonna just quickly pause here to have some silence. So I hope everyone in the back can hear the demos. Can I get a thumbs up or thumbs down? I get a thumbs up. All right. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, we are here with the TrainsDB, a project for P2P decentralized database peering solution, especially in the hostile network condition. It is powered by Rust, the high-performance language, RocksDB, Libs P2P, networking, Bluetooth as a second communication channel, Gossip protocol for mesh networking, and Tokyo engine. We'll quickly go through the demo. Here we are spinning up the node. Should be finding the peer pretty soon. Okay, it found the peer, and now it will start syncing with the peer. So now it is retrieving the database. So this can be utilized in multiple purposes, especially when the RPCs of local DevNet hits the limit for all the hackers. So that's something we found over here, and we thought about solving this issue through our project.
Hi everyone, I'm building Baton Chat, a forecaster mini app that lets you spin up a lightweight prediction market directly on top of social conversation. Here's the problem. Social feeds are very opinion formed, but there's no native way to test conviction. Screenshots and polls doesn't create real skin in the game, and they fragment across tools. Our solution is a native market layer inside a forecaster. You paste a cast URL, write a crisp yes no question, set close time, and the market is live. Anyone can place a yes and no position with USDC on base. Odds and payouts update instantly, so conversion become quantified.
So hi friends, I'm Nicola. So I'm presenting the Pruxel. So as my friend give you the brief intro about the Pruxel as well as the how what problems we are facing right now in today's scenario in terms of price distribution as well as the payroll distribution. So we are here payroll by proof of contribution. So each commit of yours will be deciding your USDC to the rewards. So currently if we are going in the BlockTrain, so most of the projects are done by our solo developers or new developers, and some are enjoying the BlockTrain journey. But yeah, So if the developers will commit the code quality or like code, then only they can get the rewards, right? So it's mostly about the Devfolio as well as the Dora X distribution payroll mechanism. So you have to connect your wallet with the basic ORIA, connect with any of the like wallet, MetaMask or anything. Just signing your account with the GitHub. So if you go to this sign in, you will like go to the auth signing, click on sign with GitHub. So yeah, you will sign in with your GitHub account. It will ask you to give the authorization. So you will click on the public repositories. It will fetch all your public repositories as well as the public repositories data. So click one of the any of the repositories that you have submitted at the time of project submission. So I'm giving this right now. Set up a bounty for Somnia DeFi repo. So you will see that the contribution list and as well as the contribution percentage for each of the developers, and you will see the contribution percentage is depending upon the 99 commits, PRs, views, as well as the pipeline that we have followed right now, GitHub Actions. So just go to like which token you have to distribute. So I'm distributing the USDC on basic Devfolio. So I'm just pasting the address. It will fetch how much amount of USDC I am holding and wallet address of your teammates. So I'm just pasting my wallet address, pasting Sneha wallet address here, and click on distribute for bounties. Sorry, you have to first give the what amount of distribution you have. So if you go with 200, so it will decide like 126.66, then 73. But right now you have 18 USDC, and you have to distribute around like let's say I'm distributing around 5 USDC. Click on distribute bounty. It will open your MetaMask wallet on basic Devfolio. You have to give the approval for that. Then it will regulate like your transaction. Like, yeah, it will regulate your transaction. You can confirm the transaction. Boom. You can view the transaction history also. So you can see that the distribution is fair enough basis on the commits that you have made during the hackathons. So in this way you can distribute all the funds, or you can so it's basically because of that, because like I have also participated in one of the ETH Global. So I got like one of my developer is not working fully on the project, but we have to give them the 50% as the Indians mentality. But yeah, so this project is for like payroll distribution also, like the company hires some developers for some of the developers for the contractual base and for the hourly base. So yeah, this product may be useful for that scenario. So yeah, thank you for listening to the Bruxelles and looking forward to results. Go ahead with this. Bye bye.
Presenting GenuPix. The moment a photo leaves your phone, it can be copied, edited, screenshotted, and reshared endlessly. Very quickly, you lose all control. Your memories, your creations, even your identity can end up in places you never imagined. Sometimes even used commercially, without your consent. Now imagine a different world. A world where every photo carries an invisible, unbreakable signature. An embedded proof of origin that never leaves. No matter how many times it's downloaded, cropped, or resized, your ownership remains intact. That's the magic of GenuPix. With one invisible mark, anywhere on the internet, a simple tap can reveal who owns it, or who it has been. Suddenly, your work is not just floating in the digital chaos, it's protected, traceable, and undeniably yours. With GenuPix, we're not just reimagining digital photos, we're re-establishing trust. We're giving creators, journalists, and everyday users the power to own their story, one picture at a time.
Hello, this is Flash. I will explain the project real quick. So in traditional data handling things and ad data collection, all the data is owned by Google. In all Android devices, the app AAID, advertising ID manages everything, which is not completely centralized, and the user can't take any control out of it. So our project solves that by giving full control to the user. So user can register a device by using the ENS domain. Like a user will have an ENS domain, and all the devices of the user will have their own subdomain. Like my mobile dot my name dot eth or something like that, so that each device is identified by ENS subdomains. Once it is registered, we will give a SDK which should be wrapped in all the apps which are created by the developers. So all the ad collection data goes through that, which is stored in the user's vault and their own private registry, and then the user can select whether if he had to share the data with the developer for ads, or with the third parties of the developers, or the whole internet by making it public. We have like device specific and app specific data access control. We can also have an emergency panic mode where you can revoke all access.
Hi everyone, this is Jovian D'Souza from Blaze, and today we are presenting Blaze Trade, which we developed for the BlockTrain hackathon. Blaze Trade is an all-in-one launchpad for DeFi operations. It allows you to create meme coins, trade meme coins, copy trade, and a lot more functionality. So first of all, we can connect our wallet with this, and we can see the top trending coins. If we click on trade, we can use this interface to either swipe right to buy the coin. It's going to take some time. As you can see, our process is successful, or we can swipe left if we don't want to buy it, or swipe up if you want to add to the wait list. This is one of the main functionalities of Blaze Trade. It gives you a dopamine hit engage. We also have a function where we can copy trade, and for that we can check the wallet tracker. In wallet tracker, we can simply add any wallet address we want to track. For this instance, I'll just track my wallet, give it any name, click track. So now all the trades that are happening on this wallet would be sent to my Telegram bot, which can be seen like this. We can see the portfolio, and we can do a lot more. This is just the beta version of our app. We are planning to launch this soon on the Blaze mini app. That's all from my side. Thank you.
We have built the better mafia than the mafia you see in real life, and there's a bunch of reasons why, and we'll take you through all of it in this demo. So yeah, let's get started. Let's join a game. Let's go ahead and click on join a game. Cool, go ahead.
So whenever you join or create a game, you will get to choose from a couple of avatars we made, and you just enter your nickname and let's go.
Not to forget that each person stakes in 0.01 ETH, and it's a 9-player game, so the overall prize pool turns to 0.09 ETH. Now, we will wait for the members here. The game ID is automatically made and the pool is reflected on the screen. So there's 8 members at the moment. Assuming there's 9, we go to the next screen and continue. Yes.
Yeah. So here's the real game, and as you can see, it's currently a daytime, which means villagers are discussing what happened last night, and they are chatting over here. And you can type your own message in here in the text field. The timer goes on, and when the timer is done. Again, night. Yep.
Okay, now this is the screen that comes with special characters like Mafia and Doctor. So in my case, I'm a Mafia, so I get to choose who I want to kill at the night time, and I'm going to choose this guy for my, and boom, he is dead.
So after this, villagers again discuss what happened, and they kick out a few people and then decide. So game goes on.
Yep, and everyone's discussing. It's chaos all over because they want to find who the killer is. I mean, in our case, the Mafia won because both of them survived through the end of it. But how the prize pool is split is based on whether the Mafia is left over. If there's 2 Mafia, then it's split amongst both of them. If there's 1, then the entire prize pool goes to them. And if there's 0, then the prize pool gets split amongst all the villagers. But in this case, we're adding complexity because one Mafia will try to kill the other. Also, twist, what's about the god?
So we haven't mentioned who the god is, just to create a complexity. Do you understand?
Yeah, I mean, that's precisely it, because people are going to try to pretend like they're the god, and that adds to the fun and chaos of the game. And you don't reveal who the doctor is, god is, none of that. So it's going to be crazy, and can't wait for you all to try it out.
Yep.
All right, those were some of the demos from BlockTrain. Can we have a round of applause for all the builders who actually made that on a moving train with a lot of variables than a standard hackathon? But you could see some of the demos, you could hear the engine of the train, you could hear the station that they were at, and we are so glad that they were to be part of this journey. We hope a lot of you get to part of it. But before you wrap up, I would like to invite Denver back on stage to summarize our